Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful flowers out of peepal leaves. Things you will need are some peepal leaves, thread, floral stem tape, artificial leaves, scissors, some wires or any other stick, acrylic paints or you can use watercolors also, some paint brushes, some artificial flower stamen and an old toothbrush. First of all, soak some peepal leaves for about 8 to 10 days. After 8 to 10 days, when the leaves are completely soaked, take out the leaves from water and remove their green part with the toothbrush as shown. Don't exert too much pressure or it will tear, and move the brush in one direction only. Cut all the leaves from their middle part as shown. Next, color your leaves with your creativity and imagination with some paints. Now, bend one end of the wire as shown and attach some flower stamen with the help of a thread. Wrap and attach the leaves around the flower stamen as shown with a thread. Now, cover your stick or wire with some floral stem tape and attach some artificial leaves. Your beautiful flowers are ready. Decorate the flowers in a flower pot or make a bouquet to gift someone. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. It would really mean a lot to me.